Good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Okay. Welcome back to your online classes. Today is your English class. Today, not maths, it is English. Today I am taking English. So, the last class before test, we have completed poem 1. Lesson number 1, the learned fools. Lesson number 2, run boy run. So, new types I have given in God made them all. Learned fools, the run boy run I have given half. So, other half no need children, test has been over. So, we'll complete lesson, we'll start lesson number 3. We'll start lesson number 3. Open your textbook, lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 is the musicians of Brahman. The musicians of Brahman. So some of the meanings are there, children. Okay, so I'll write it here. Starved, without food, hungry. You don't write this. You should not write, okay? Without food. Winning, complaining, tearfully, chased, go after, rooster, it's a cock. Mistress, a woman, head of a house. Peep, to look through a small opening secretly. Scare, cause fear. Break, sound made by a donkey. Woofed, Yes, some of the meanings I have written, children. So I'll start the lesson. Okay. So lesson number 3, the musicians of Brahman. There were once a donkey who had served his master. So there was once a donkey who served. Donkey used to carry loads. So for his master, he used to carry loads far away places and all. Faithfully for many years, But the donkey had now become old and weak. Donkey has become old and weak. The Dobie people will have donkey to carry the clothes back. So he was serving his master faithfully. But now it has become old and weak. So he could not do any work. His master did not treat him well because donkey has become old and weak. So he could not carry any loads, he could not do any work for his master. So what did his master do? He did not treat him well. He even starved him. Starved means feeling hungry. See, without food, hungry. He was not giving food at all to donkey. A few days later, he chased the donkey out of the house. So he chased the donkey out of the house. So he told to donkey, go out of the house. So he chased it, he threw away the donkey. Okay, children, he chased, go after. He sent the donkey out of the house. The donkey walked along the road slowly. So his master, before, when it was young and strong, master was taking good care because it used to carry loads and all. So after it became old and weak, master was not giving a good food. He was not giving any food at all. He made donkey to be hungry. So the donkey walked along the road slowly, feeling very sad. On the way, he saw a donkey lying by the roadside and whinnying. He saw a dog, sorry. The donkey walked along the road slowly, feeling very sad because master has sent him outside, chased him. On the way, he saw a dog lying by the roadside and whinnying. Whinnying means crying. Okay, complaining tearfully. When we talk to somebody, we are feeling so. If anybody scolds us, we'll cry and say, yes, no, complaining on others, crying. So, whinnying means complaining tearfully. So, donkey met a dog because dog was lying on the roadside and it was crying, making some sound. Why are you crying? Who asked this? Donkey asked a dog. Donkey asked a dog, why are you crying? The dog said, I am now too old to guard the house. So my master no longer needs me. He has thrown me out of the house. So the dog said, I am too old to guard the house. Dog guards our house. It takes care when we are not there. When thief comes, it will bark. Yes, no? So it guards our house. It takes care of the house. So my master no longer needs me. He has thrown me out of the house. Because dog has become old like donkey. So it has become old. So he could not guard the house. He could not catch the thief. It could not bark at night. It was very sleepy. So master threw him out of the house. Sad indeed. Indeed, sad. So donkey felt very sad and introduced to himself. Said the donkey, why don't you come along with me? Donkey asked, why don't you come along with me? But where do we go? Asked the dog. Donkey called, come along with me. But dog asked, where do we go? Well, I have heard of a town called Brahman. So I have heard a town called Brahman. Donkey said this. It is a great place for musicians. Musicians means, you know, music place. Perhaps we could go there and try our luck. Perhaps means possibility. We'll go there. We'll try our luck, said the donkey. I think it is good idea, said the dog. Let's go right away. So the donkey and the dog set off to Brahman. So donkey and the dog went to the Brahman. They were walking away happily when they saw a cat curled up under a fence. Fence means a wood wood piece. Okay, like wall, it will be standing wood near the garden. So it was fencing there near, it was curling under the fence. What is wrong with you? Asked the donkey. First, donkey's master throwed away donkey, chased him. Next, dog. So donkey met a dog on the roadside. So they both were going for Brahman. It's a new town name. So they were going for Brahman. So when they both were going, they met a cat under the fence. What is wrong with you? Asked the donkey. When I was young, I kept my master's house free from mice. Yes, here, cat will catch the mice. Mice means it's a rat. Yes, no, cat will catch the rat. So when it was young, no, it was fast, it will run. If any rat comes near the house, it will go and catch, it will eat. Yes, no, it will kill it. So when it become old, it won't run fast to catch the rat because rat will run fast. So when I was young, I kept my master's house free from mice. Now I have grown old and cannot run to catch mice. So my master has shown me the door, replied the cat sadly. So the cat told, I have become so old, I could not catch the mice. So my master has sent me outside. We are going to Brahman. Would you like to join us? Said the dog. So dog asked the cat, we are going for Brahman. Would you like to join with us? The cat agreed to go with them. The three animals were passing by a farmyard. Farmyard means it is a farm surrounding by the farm building for animals will build one like a shed, no, that. When they saw a rooster sitting on the barren door, crowing loudly. Rooster means it's a cock, like a hen, boy hen, male hen. Okay. So, rooster sitting on the barren door, crowing loudly. Barren door means a large farm building used for storing grains. So, the grains were kept there. So, it was sitting on the door and it was crowing, cock, cock. Now, what makes you crow so loudly? The donkey asked. So, donkey asked, why are you crowing? You know how the cock makes sound. Yes, no? My mistress is planning to cook me for dinner tonight. Mistress means it's a mistress. A woman head of a house. A woman is the head of the mother is the head of your family. No. So she only cooks food. So when this cock becomes so old, so mother used to cut that cock and make chicken fry biryani. No, like that. So that my mistress is planning to cook me for dinner tonight. This may perhaps be the last time I am crowing, said the rooster. So only I am crowing. So that hen, how it will crow that sound, no? Like that cock is making sound. It said, my mistress means woman of the family. It told, my mistress will cut me tonight and cook the food for family. Well, said the donkey, why don't you come with us to Brahman? You have a good voice and together we can make melodious music. So donkey barks, bray, dogs bark, cat mew, and rooster cock. So four also make some noises, so it will become different music. The rooster thought it was a wonderful idea. He agreed to join them. So the donkey, the dog, the cat, and the rooster left in search of fame and fortune. Okay. It was a long way to Brahman. So they were searching fame and fortune. When they reached there, the sun had set. So morning, each one they met friends, so it became evening. So sun had set, it was getting dark. The four friends were very tired and hungry. So from their village, they went to Brahman, far places. They were walking and going near the farmyard. So the four friends become donkey, dog, cat, and rooster. So by walking, they become very tired. It became dark also. They felt very hungry. They saw a little light at a distance. They hurried towards the light and were very happy to see that it was an old farmhouse. So it was old farmhouse. Okay. So they saw a light, they felt very happy. Let's go in, said the rooster. No, no, said the donkey. The rooster said, we'll go inside. But the donkey said, no. Let's make sure it is safe place. Stand on my back and tell us what you see. Rooster will say, we'll go inside. But the donkey said, no. Because whether it is a safe place or not, we have to see. So the donkey told, stand on my back for the rooster and see in the window what it is, whether it is a safe place, because surrounding and all only field. This is a farmhouse. Okay. The rooster saw some men sitting around the table. They were having a grand feast. So they were having a good dinner at night in the farmhouse. Some men were sitting around the table. All over the floor were gold coins, jewels, and lot of money. And on the table, it was only lot of money, jewels, okay, gold coins. They appear to be thieves, said the rooster. Rooster, it stand on the donkey's back and saw some men were sitting around the table having some feast. So on the table, it was gold coins, money, and jewels. So the rooster told, they appear to be thieves. Let's chase them away, then we can feast on the food, said the donkey. So donkey told, let them chase away. We'll make them scare and make them to run away, so we can have that feast of food, said the donkey. We can buy a beautiful house in Brahman with all the gold coins and jewels, said the dog. So the dog told, we'll chase. The donkey told, we'll chase them. So we can. So dog told, we can buy, taking the jewels, we can buy house to stay in that house, beautiful house in Brahman. So they began to sing. The donkey brayed. You know how donkey makes sound. Yes, no children? Donkey makes sound. It brayed. The dog hoofed. The cat mewed. And the rooster crowed. See here. Crowed means sound made by cock. Mewed means sound made by cat. Yes, no? Oofed. Made a barking sound. How dog barks, you know. Bray. Sound made by donkey. So 4 animals also, the voice and the sound will be different. On hearing the noise, the thieves were terrified. Hearing the noise, terrified means full of fear. They got scared. They got afraid. So they were terrified. They thought that some evil spirits have entered the house. They thought some ghost, evil spirits, some magic. So they thought, they were scared. They ran out of the house without finishing their dinner. They ran out of the house without finishing their dinner. They left jewels, everything, money, everything, gold coins. They left food also. They ran away. The 4 friends then entered the house and had a hearty meal. They were feeling so hungry because the whole day they were walking. So when they came to Brahman, so they were hungry. So they made to be scared for the thieves. So the thieves ran away. They ate all the food, hearty meal. They turned off the lights and soon went to sleep. They switched off the lights and went to sleep. A little past midnight, the thieves came back to take all the treasure. Treasure means money and jewels, gold, diamonds, everything. The 4 friends were fast asleep. See, when they scared for thieves, the thieves ran away, leaving all jewels, money, gold coins, everything. Food also they did not have, they ran away. So after some time, the animals, they switched off the light and fell fast asleep. At midnight, the thieves came back. The 4 friends were fast asleep. They did not hear them. One of the thieves crept in the house. It was very dark inside. The thief tripped on the cat. Tripped means missed a step and fell. So when the animals were sleeping, the thief suddenly, the light was off, no? He stamped the cat and fell down. So the cat woke up and scratched him with his paws. Yes, no, like nails, it is there in its front of leg. So it scratched with his paws. He tried to run, but the dog pounced on him and bit him on his leg. When cat woke up, because he tripped on the cat's leg and fell down. So when the thief came, he stamped cat. So cat got very angry and it scratched him. So when he scratched and the cat made sound, even the dog pounced on him and bit his legs. The thief cried out in pain. He limped along in the dark. Limped means walked with difficulty because the cat scratched, the dog bite his legs. So thief cried out in pain, the limped along in the dark, and now he stepped on the donkey. So when cat and dog woke, he stepped on the donkey. The donkey gave him a good kick. You know, donkey will kick from his leg only. Yes, no? So it kicked. On hearing all the noise, the rooster woke up, flapped his wings, and cried out. Flapped, moved. It moved his wings and gave one hit to him. Flapped his wings and cried out, cock-a-doodle-doo. So it shouted, cock-a-doodle-doo. The thief took to his heels. He told his friends that there was a wicked monster in the house. So wicked monster, some devil ghost is there in this house, because it was so dark, he don't know whether it is a animals or ghost. So the thieves fed the place, never to come back again. So he left that place, he left the food, he left money, jewels, gold coins, he left everything, and he ran away. He thought some ghost is there. The four friends lived happily ever after. They had a nice little house, plenty of food to eat, and lot of money to give them a life to comfort. And they soon become a great musicians of Brahman. So when the thief ran away, leaving all the jewels, diamonds, gold coins, money and all, so he got scared, some monster is there. So he left everything. So in that small farmhouse, animals were living now, because nobody used to come there. So they were having nice little house, plenty of food to eat, plenty of money. So they can buy everything, lot of money to give them life to comfort. They soon become a great musicians of Brahman. They were making some sound. So they become the good musicians of the Brahman. So I hope you all understand this lesson. Yes, no, children? So some of the meanings I have written on the board. It is there in textbook, but you don't write. To know the meanings, I have written that. Okay, children? I read once. Starved, without food, hungry. So donkey's master did not give food for donkey. He did not give the food, he made to be hungry. Winning, the dog was complaining tearfully for donkey. Chased, go after. The donkey has been chased by his master. Rooster, cock. Mistress, a woman head of a house. Peep, to look through a small opening secretly. Scare, cause fear in. Bray, sound made by a donkey. Oofed, made a barking sound by a dog. Crowed, sound made by cock. Mewed, sound made by a cat. Terrified, full of fear. Hearty, full, satisfying, hearty meal. The four animals, they ate heart full of meal. They were satisfied. Treasure, money, jewels, etc. Crept, moved slowly. Tripped, missed a step and fell on the cat. I told no. Flapped. So rooster flapped his wings. Fled, ran away. Limped, walked with difficulty. Monster, a huge animal. So when the four animal, it pounced on the thieves, they thought some big animal, ghost, some big monster is there. So they left the house, they left everything, money, and they ran away. So the four animals lived in that small house very happily forever, because they're having lots of money. So they're having so much food to eat in that house. So they become the musicians of Brahman. So here I'll end my class, children. Thank you. Hey, no, I'll give homework. Yes, see here, take out your English homework, general homework book. Yes, no? English homework. It is general homework. Yes, no? General homework. General homework means in one book only you are writing EVS and English. Your English homework is lesson number 3. The musicians of Brahman. The musicians of Brahman. So what homework shall I give? Musicians of Brahman, first main, meanings. Second main, give one word. Third main, answer the following. So you write 2 times. Don't copy from textbook meanings, children. So classwork PDF has came. Yes, no, PDF has been come. So by mistake you have sent all. So which lesson I have done now? That lesson write in your classwork, bring for correction. This musicians of Brahman, lesson number 3. Musicians of Brahman, first main meaning, second main give one word, third main answer the following. All 2 times. Write and bring for correction next class. Okay, children? Thank you.